What's going, guys? It's Doc here and welcome to the 6th episode of building the best crypto portfolio in 2022. Before I start this video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more crypto content. So last week we were pretty down, like 3% as you can see, almost 4%, but we're still doing really good on the Bitcoin, up a couple percent, Ethereum up a couple percent. But this week, because of the sad news in Ukraine, like we have to pray for these people that everything comes alright, the market went down as well, as you can see. And we were down quite a bit now. We're almost at down 11% on the total portfolio, as you can see. We're down on Bitcoin and Ethereum for like the first time ever in the series, with only like 2.2 and 3.6%. So that's really nothing. But here you can see, guys, alts took a really bad hit. We got the Sandbox down 20%. I didn't expect that from the metaverse coin, but Polygon down 12%, Chainlink down 17%. So that makes our total portfolio down 11%. But it isn't that bad, because if we look like two important numbers, we can see that if we would have bought Ethereum on the beginning of the year, we would have been down 27%. So our 11% is not bad, and knowing that our Ethereum is minus 3%, so we're doing a really good job with dollar cost averaging. And if we take a look at Bitcoin, then Bitcoin is also down 16% year to date. So yeah, we're doing really well, only down 2% on Bitcoin. So you're noticing, guys, dollar cost averaging is really helping us out during these tough times. But yeah, if we take a look at the market, we can of course see every coin is a little bit up on the daily, because yeah, the markets recovered a little bit. Also the stock market, we got Terra Luna 14%, even on the weekly, like plus 35%. I've seen a lot of videos of people actually making huge APIs on Terra Luna. I might have to check the coin out, because we're getting top 9 now and plus 38% on the weekly. Like, it goes up every second, guys. Like, other coins are not doing really that good, if we can see, all just really recovering from the crash of yesterday. We got Chainlink down on the weekly as well. Chainlink being so cheap, guys. 6 billion Chainlink. Like, this used to be like the number 9 coin. I think if we just check on Chainlink, which are called basically the Google of crypto, we can see the all-time high if this thing loads. Like, I'm really bullish on Chainlink and metaverse, but we can see we were at over $50, and now that's a 4x for a coin like Chainlink. Like, I'm really curious what's gonna happen when we go into a bull market. But yeah, guys, there's not much to say on this week news. Like, we know the sad news of Ukraine, so that made me most of the things had to do with the market, of course. But yeah, if we take a look at this week buys, we're just gonna keep doing the 10 euros a week for every coin. Right now, I think when I reach 100 euro on every coin, I might invest 2 times 50 in another coin. I'm actually looking for a good coin to add, because I want some more variety then. But yeah, we can see that after buying, Bitcoin is down 2%, Ethereum down 3%, and still the Sandbox and Polygon and Chainlink down 10 to 15%, making our total loss 9%. That's not that much, guys, and I hope this week we get some good news for Ukraine and as well for the crypto, and then we can make some profits. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. I know it wasn't the longest, but there was only sad news this week, so I didn't want to talk much about things. But this Sunday, an amazing video comes out of the best crypto coins in March 2022. So definitely check that one out, guys, when it comes out. So subscribe to the channel as well, that helps me a lot. And YouTube, until the next time.